Looking for the perfect day trip in Portugal? Welcome to Aveiro, often called the Venice of Portugal. With its charming canals, colourful boats and rich history, Aveiro is a must-visit destination. In this video, we'll guide you through the best things to do in Aveiro with a one-day itinerary that covers culture, relaxation, and of course, some delicious food. Let's go. Start your day with a visit to Aveiro's iconic canals. The best way to explore them is by taking a moliceiro boat tour. These traditional boats, originally used for seaweed harvesting, now offer a peaceful way to see the city from the water. The tour will take you through the main canals, passing by the beautiful Art Nouveau buildings that line the water's edge. Next, head to the Aveiro Museum, also known as the Museu de Aveiro. Housed in a former convent, this museum offers a deep dive into the city's history and religious art. The highlight here is the tomb of Princess Saint Joanna, a stunning example of Portuguese Baroque art. It's a quiet and contemplative spot to start your exploration of Aveiro's rich cultural heritage. Before lunch, take a short walk to the bustling Mercado do Peixe fish market. Even if you're not buying, it's worth visiting to see the variety of fresh seafood on display and to experience the lively atmosphere of a local market. For lunch, head to Obertel. This cozy restaurant is known for its affordable and delicious seafood dishes. Try the bacalhau à brás, a traditional Portuguese dish made with salted cod, potatoes, and eggs. The portions are generous and the atmosphere is welcoming. Another great option is Tasquinha do Leitão. If you're in the mood for something different, this spot offers a variety of meat dishes, with a specialty in roast suckling pig, a regional delicacy. The prices are reasonable and it's just a short walk from the city centre. After lunch, visit the Art Nouveau Museum, Museu de Arte Nova. Located in one of Aveiro's most iconic buildings, this museum celebrates the city's Art Nouveau heritage. It's a small but fascinating museum, and the adjacent tea room is a lovely spot for a coffee break with a view of the canal. Next, take a leisurely stroll through the Rossio Garden. This beautiful park is located right by the canal and is a perfect place to relax after a busy morning. You'll find plenty of shade under the trees and benches where you can sit and enjoy the view of the colourful boats passing by. For a touch of nature, cycle or walk to the nearby Costa Nova Beach, famous for its brightly painted striped houses. Costa Nova is just a short ride from the city centre. The beach is stunning, with wide stretches of sand and clear blue waters. It's a great spot to unwind, take a swim, or simply enjoy the seaside atmosphere. For dinner, check out Sal Poente. Located in a renovated warehouse by the canal, this restaurant is known for its modern take on traditional Portuguese cuisine. The seafood here is particularly good, and the setting is both stylish and comfortable, perfect for a relaxing evening meal. Another excellent choice is Mare Cheia. This family-run restaurant is a local favourite, known for its fresh fish and seafood dishes. The prices are affordable, and the friendly service makes it a great place to end your day in Aveiro. To wrap up your day, visit Bar do Estudante. This lively bar in the city centre is popular with both locals and visitors. It offers a wide range of drinks, including local wines and cocktails, in a relaxed and friendly atmosphere. If you're looking for something with a bit more energy, head to Praça do Peixe. This area in the city centre is known for its lively nightlife, and you'll find several bars to choose from. And that's our one-day itinerary for Aveiro. From exploring the canals to enjoying delicious local food, Aveiro has something for everyone. What would be your favourite activity in Aveiro? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips and itineraries. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.